Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel, Snag Life Outdoors. Oh man, to all my viewers and my subscribers, I haven't said it yet. I might have, but just in case if I haven't or hadn't, I want to thank you all. I want to thank you all for watching my videos, for taking your time to watch my videos, even though they're trash, because for some reason my camera don't last long enough for me to put fish on film. So today I'm gonna try my best to get some footage on film, but I do have pictures and a little bit of a clip from we are finally. It's been a hot day already for the release. Off you go. Ooh, number 2. Let's go for the release. There you go, buddy. All right. So number 3. Let's get him. Number 4, y'all. Another one off the Sanko. Let him go. Good. Solid 1.5 pounds maybe off the popper, top water. Yes, sir. Another one off the popper though, about two and something though. I tell you that. That little popper right there, boy. That thing on fire. What y'all know, boy? Another one off the top water. See that guy, that popper? Man, I'm on a roll off that top. I believe this is. Ooh, I believe this is number 8 now. That's a chunk.
Yo, that was a big ass one.
Yo. Alright guys, so we're out here again, round 2 for the weekend on this little creek. One off the crawl. Yes sir. Get him for the release.
Get it in there.
There it is, guys. And another one. Alright, cut that one off a crawl. Keep it going. Another one. Off the popper though, right there. Popper fish. That's a top water fish though. But we're gonna let him go. We is still going on the roll. Here you go, little guy. Gonna let him go. Yes, sir. Off the crawl. They's chomping on the crawl and this little nasty stuff right. I just pitched it in. You know. Yes, sir. Y'all see it, man? Top water bite is on, boy. Off the whopper plopper. Yes, sir. Yeah, buddy. Clutch catch with the crawl. Almost to the truck. Yes, sir. And just like every other anglers, you know, we have our bad days. See that, boy? I think that was a bass. Let's show you my little rig though. See that? Front trolling motor. And then the other time I had the battery here in the front and it was like real off balance. So I decided to wire up some wires last night and just got it a little rigged up how I want it. You know, with some easy connectors. So yeah, but here it is, my little 10-foot John boat, my little rig I had over for a few months now. Bought it brand new. Been putting in some work in it. guess we're ready to launch and get the fishing going. It's bright and early. Sun finally just came up, so it's like 6:30, 6:40, something like that. But yeah, we'll see you guys on the water. So let's go ahead and get this boat launched out.